Are you tired of that same old default sound every time you get a WhatsApp call? Today I am going to show you exactly how to change WhatsApp ringtone on Android so your phone feels much more personal in 2026. Welcome back to Fix Your Apps, your favorite place for quick and easy tech solutions. By the end of this short tutorial, you will know how to pick any sound you like for your incoming calls. Let's get started right away by grabbing your phone. First, find the WhatsApp icon on your home screen or in your app drawer and go ahead and tap to open it. Once the app is open and you are looking at your main chat list, look at the top right corner of your screen. You will see 3 small vertical dots there. This is your main menu, so just take a second to locate it before we move to the next step. Now tap on those 3 dots and select the settings option, which is usually right at the very bottom of the list. Great, you are now in the main settings area. From here I want you to scroll down just a little bit until you find the notification section, which is marked with a small bell icon. Go ahead and tap on it. This is the central hub where we manage all the different alerts for your messages, groups and phone calls. We are almost finished, so scroll all the way to the bottom of this page until you see the calls section. Tap on the ringtone option to open a list of all the available sounds on your Android device. You can tap on different names to hear a preview and find the perfect tone that matches your style. Once you have picked your favorite, just hit back to save it. If this guide helped you today, please subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more tips.